Stereo testing. This is all about to test and check your speakers to be properly balanced. Stereo testing.